Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to convert a PDF file to PowerPoint presentation. This can be done with the help of free conversion website. Copy and paste the link in the address bar of a web browser given in the description below. Click on the Select PDF file button and select the PDF file which you want to convert to PowerPoint. Click on the Convert to PPTX button and wait for the file to get converted. Once converted, your file will be downloaded in the Downloads folder. To edit the PowerPoint file, click on Enable Editing. That's all. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. If you found my tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notified about my new uploads.